Ang aligatong The Miracle Roots na matagal na natin pinagkakatiwalaan sa mahabang panahon at nagpagaling sa ating mga iniindang sakit. Ngayon ay nasa kapsula na. Red Aligatong Plus Capsule. Red Aligatong Plus Capsule. Gagaling ka dito. FDA approved from GreenMed Pharma.
Red Aligatong Capsule, now available nationwide. Available in the Subic Bay Freeport area, Olongapo, Bataan, and Zambales. Red Aligatong Capsule, gagaling ka dito.
The Morning Brew. The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
With DJ Tommy G.
With DJ Tommy G.
89.5 to radio the way it should be.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Yeah, you guys heard the song Can't Keep My Hands Off You. We played that song a while ago. Music coming from Simple Plan featuring Rivers Cuomo. Okay, I guess you guys know who's Rivers Cuomo. He's the lead vocalist for the band Weezer. Okay, and just before that song was also the requested song from Paramore. Ain't it fun? Ain't it fun? Ain't it fun tuning in to 895 Subic Bay Radio. All right, and time for me to give you the following invites before we proceed with our Sam's Pizza Radio Contest. Ayan, okay? So alam nyo na, I already announced the Sam's Pizza Radio Contest. You know how it goes. You know how it is. All right? Time now for the invites muna for the meantime before we do the radio contest coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Check out the happy summer sale. It's this May 17 to 19, 17, 18, and 19 at SM City Olongapo Downtown. Get ready to dive into some sizzling deals and make your summer shine brighter than ever. Up to 70% off on hot finds. It's this May 17, 18, and 19. Happy summer sale. Okay? And our home. Check out the home style sale for the entire month of May 2024. Up to 80% off plus an additional 10% off using your SMAC cards. SM Advantage card and SMAC Prestige. All right? Home style sale. Our home. Third level of SM City Olongapo Central. Okay? And enjoy free Coca-Cola from May 10 to 31, all right? When you visit the SM City Olongapo Central at the food court, okay? Free refreshments for you. And this is for all GSIS employees and pensioners, okay? So here's a free Coke just for you from SM Food Court at the fourth level of SM Central. Just present your ID when you dine at SM Food Court and enjoy the free Coca-Cola drink May 10 to 31. All right? How awesome is that? Doon na kayo mag-dine, pensioners and GSIS employees. Okay? Next up, we have the Installment Fest. This is up until June 30. Instantly win back 5,000 pesos worth of SM Gift Pass. Okay? Up until June 30. So visit the SM store. And the Mitsubishi Triton is back on display at the SM City Olongapo Central. Last day today for this, May 14, huh? So you guys better hurry if you want to check it out. The Mitsubishi, the all-new Mitsubishi Triton. Also on display is the Geely M Grand. It can be, you can drive it home for as low as 8,000 pesos down payment up until May 16. It's going to be on display at the SM Central, okay? And the Blooms Fan Fest, the fans of Beanie P-Pop Group will be having their Fan Fest on May 26, Sunday, 3 p.m., Level 2 of SM City Olongapo Downtown, okay? Also, do check out for the month of May, the Crema de Fruta from Conti's Bake Shop and Restaurant. They're at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Central. SM Women's Sale is from May 1 to 15. Last day na bukas. So you guys better hurry. Women better hurry. Up to 50% off on select items at the SM Women's Sale SM Store. Okay? Next up, we have the Boys Teen Sale. Up to 50% off. May 1 to 31 at the SM Store. Also, check out the SM Beauty Nationwide Sale. This will be from May 15 to 19, up to 50% off also at the SM store, and also 10% off via your SMAC Advantage card, SM Advantage card, that is, okay? And the Para Kay Nanay offers, okay, shopping treats is from May 11 to 24. Free gelato from Caramia, free signature facial from Derm Care, all right, and free play pass for kids at Ambica. Okay, so check it out at the SM store, SM Olongapo Central. Okay, so those are the invites for you. And right about now, time for me to do the Sam's Pizza radio contest. Okay, all you have to do is answer simple questions pertaining to the Sam's Pizza flash sale. Okay, the May 15 flash sale. So May 15 gaganapin yan, one day special only. Just simply get one 2-in-1 flavors, 12 inches family size pizza for only $299. You will mix and match. Ikaw ang bahalang mag-mix and match. Hawaiian and beef mushroom, pepperoni and cheesy bacon mushroom, Hawaiian and cheesy bacon mushroom, or pepperoni and beef mushroom. Yan yung mga pwedeng pagpilian. Ako, all delicious, all masarap. Huh? Okay, so call me now. 0910-6909-501. Okay? That's the official digits. If you want to join the radio contest, also save yun na rin. That's DJ Tommy G's official number. Baka gusto nyo magpa-advertise. Or you might need somebody to, you know, to MC for you, for your events. Okay? Again, that's 0910-6909-501. Okay? And right about now, we have somebody calling to join in. Hello, caller!
Hi, good morning.
Hello, good morning to you. Are you gonna join the radio contest? Sali ka sa contest?
Oh, sure.
Oh.
Habang listening kami right now habang sa biyahe.
Ano yun? Ano yun?
Yes po, sure.
Nasa biyahe ka?
Oh,
para ka muna. Para talaga. Yeah. But, okay, first I need to get your name. What's your name?
This is Shego Ganda. Namalong the City.
Your full name? Oh, sige, I'm gonna put it on the list. Okay. Before I declare you the winner, kailangan sagutin mo muna ng tama yung details about the promo. Alam mo na, no? Ready ka na? Are you ready? Okay, ready. Oh, sige, let's have the questions for you now. Ang unang question natin, ayan. Etong flash sale, it's a one-day special. Kailan yung one-day special na yon? Anong date?
Yung Sam's Pizza.
Yes, the Sam's Pizza flash sale. Kailan siya gaganapin?
Ito ay gaganapin.
Ano yon?
Hello?
Hello, yes. Kailan gaganapin yung flash sale of Sam's Pizza? Yung date. I need a date.
It's ongoing sale, I think.
Ano yon? Medyo nawawala. yung flash sale, kailan po siya gaganapin? Yung date niya? May? May? Hindi nung May hapon, ha? Bigyan kita ng clue kung di mo alam yung exact date niya. Oo, bukas siya, bukas.
Nabasa ko lang kung nag-visit ako sa Sam's.
Ano? Ano yun? So, kailan gaganapin? May?
It's May 15.
15! Yes, May 15 is correct. Yan, you're halfway there. Oh.
Tomorrow we're going to.
Tomorrow na to. Oh. One day lang yung special flash day sale. Ayan.
Yeah,
Tapos, paano yung promo mechanics niya? Can you give me the promo mechanics?
The promo mechanics for the Sam's Pizza flash sale.
Flash sale.
Is, a 1-get-1 2-in-1 flavor 12 family size pizza for only 299 pesos.
Mura lang, no? 299. Oh. Tapos kung ikaw yung magmi-mix and match, ano yung imi-mix and match na pipiliin mo?
Ang favorite ko talaga sa Sam's Pizza, Hawaiian and bacon and mushroom.
Hawaiian and bacon mushroom yung imi-mix and match mo. Ayun. Okay, you got it right. Congratulations to you! Alright, you're the winner. Ang claiming tomorrow na rin ha, yun yung flash say day nila May 15 ha? At Sam's Pizza Magsaysay branch. And don't forget to bring your ID ha? Pag nag-claim ka. Oh. Importante yung ID kasi, di ba alam mo yung reason kung ba't hindi pinapasok yung tiger sa school? Kasi walang ID. Oh. Pero yung lion pinapasok, may ID eh. Anybody you wanna greet before I drop the phone?
Yeah, sure. I want to say hello to all staff of Sosimo Fashion Boutique who are listening right now also.
Oh, wow, they're listening right now. Hi, hello po sa inyo lahat. Sosim, isa lang ang masasabi ko sa inyo, ang sosi nyo. Sosi mo. Saan nga uli located ang sosi mo? Saan located yung sosi mo?
It is located at Calaklan.
Uy, Calaklan lang.
Number 3, Lower Calaklan, Olongapo Street, at GHT Building.
Ay, ang lapit sa amin. Oh. Ilang tumbling lang yun. Mga 14 na tumbling. Oh. 14 na tumbling ko lang. Nandun na ako. Okay.
Marami din silang sale ngayon in promo.
Alright. Okay. Ayan. Congratulations to you, si Ciego Ganda, the winner of today's Sam's Pizza Radio Contest. Okay. Congratulations po.
Thank you so much.
Alright. And thank you for joining. Maraming salamat. Congratulations. Alright. There you have it, people. Our winner for today of the Sam's Pizza Radio Contest. Uy, kayo rin kung gusto yung manalo, you better watch out ha. You better stay tuned. Meron pa. We will give away some more, okay? Keep tuned in to 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Don't forget to catch the May 15 flash sale. That's gonna be tomorrow na, okay? Participating branches, Magsaysay, Barreto, and Castillejos. Alright? All you have to do is purchase the Get One 2-in-1 flavor, 12 inches pizza na 2-in-1 ang flavor. Okay? I-mix and match nyo. And you will pay only 299 pesos. Murang-mura na yan, ha? 12 inches. Tapos 2 flavors in 1. Mix and match your flavors. Ayan. Pwedeng Hawaiian and beef mushroom, pepperoni and cheesy bacon mushroom, Hawaiian and cheesy bacon mushroom, and pepperoni and beef mushroom. Okay, time for me to press play on this next requested song. Music coming from Fallout Boy. This one's called Centuries. 895 Subic Bay Radio.